Today's YouTube video, we're going to be going over the top 3 best spearfishing locations in the whole world. Spearfishing is an incredible way to connect with the ocean, challenging your skills while experiencing some of the most beautiful places on Earth. And these locations should be on your bucket list. Number 3 on the list is the Azores, Portugal. It's an archipelago in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. A group of islands, volcanic islands, deep blue waters, and rich marine life. There's extremely good spearfishing here, especially deep sea spearfishing, including amberjack and tuna. It's a hotspot for pelagic species like barracuda, bluefin tuna, and these deep waters close to the shore mean that even beginners can dive into the action without a big boat. The scenery is next level and going to be an unforgettable experience for anybody that travels there. Number 2 is Baja California, Mexico. The Pacific Ocean on one side and the Sea of Cortez on the other, it's a spearfisher's paradise known for its biodiversity and challenging conditions. It offers a chance to spearfish in warm waters, teeming with species like yellowtail, roosterfish, and grouper. The strong currents and deep waters make this a destination for the most experienced spear divers, but the rewards are worth the effort. And number 1 is the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. One of the most beautiful places on Earth, the Great Barrier Reef is the largest reef in the world and offers a diverse marine ecosystem. Over 1,500 species of fish and incredible coral formations and pretty crystal clear water like an aquarium. There's coral trout, parrotfish, and bigger pelagics like mackerel and wahoo, and even black marlin. The challenge and excitement of spearfishing in these crystal clear waters is unmatched. And it's also one of the natural wonders of the world, so it should be on everyone's top of the list if you're into spearfishing. There you have it. These are the top 3 of my personal list: the Azores, Baja California, and the Great Barrier Reef. Each offers a unique and unforgettable spearfishing experience. Whether you're looking for deep waters, diverse species, or incredible natural beauty, these spots should be on every spearfisherman's list.